සාම්ප්‍රදායික ඉගැන්වීම් රටාව අතික්‍රමණය කළ නවතම ඉගැන්වීම් රටාව සමග විශිෂ්ටයන් අතර අති විශිෂ්ටයෙක් වෙන්න ඔබත් අප සමග එකතු වන්න. ජීනියස් ගයිඩ් ඇකඩමි ඔන්ලයින් තක්සලාව 10 සහ 11 ශ්‍රේණි සඳහා නව පන්ති ආරම්භේ.
Hello everyone, welcome to the first session of English in Genius Guide Academy. So I am Ridma Nawaratne, bringing you the first English session. So I hope you all stay until the end of the video. So yes, let's get started. So for today's video, I have selected a song from your grade 10 English pupils book. And I hope you all recognize this song. So this is a song coming under the 7th chapter of your book, Learning is Fun is the chapter. So this is the song which comes under that chapter. So I hope you all know this song, We Are One, which is in the film Lion King 2. And so we will have a quick look at the song, and then we will discuss the questions which comes under the song. Okay. All right. So I will first read the song to you and then explain it to you, and then we will discuss the questions. Okay. As you go through life, you will see there's so much that we don't understand. And the only thing we know is things don't always go the way we planned. But you will see every day that we'll never turn away. When it seems all your dreams come undone, we will stand by your side, filled with hope and filled with pride. We are more than we are. We are one. If there's so much that I must be, can't I still just be me, the way I am? Can I trust in my own heart, or am I just one part of some big plan? Even those who are gone are with us as we go on. Your journey has only begun. Tears of pain, tears of joy. One thing nothing can destroy is our pride deep inside. We are one, you and I. We are like the earth and sky, one family under the sun. All the wisdom to lead, all the courage that you need, you will find when you see we are one family, we are one. So this is a song that we are going to look at today. So in the first few lines, as you go through life, you will see there's so much that we don't understand. ඒ කියන්නේ අපි ජීවිතේ ඉස්සරහට යනකොට අපිට පේනෙයි අපිට තේරෙන්නේ නැති ගොඩක් දේවල් තියෙනවා. There are so much that we don't understand. Okay? And the only thing we know is that things don't always go the way we plan. අපි plan කරන විදිහට හැම වෙලේම ජීවිතේ දේවල් සිද්ධ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. Things don't always go the way we plan. We plan, past tense, okay? Plan කරපු විදිහට things don't always go. ඒක තමයි අපි දන්න එකම දේ, only thing we know. But you will see every day that we'll never turn away. Okay? So ඔයාලා ඒත් හැමදාම දකි අපි කවදා පසුබට වෙන්නේ අපසට හැරෙන්නේ නැහැ. ආපසු හැරෙන්නේ නැහැ. When it seems all your dreams come undone, we will stand by your side, filled with hope and filled with pride. Dreams කොච්චර ෂට වුණා. Dreams අපි හිතපු විදිහටම ඉෂ්ට වුණේ නැතත් we will stand by your side. කියන්නේ අපි ඕගොල්ලෝ ගාවින්ම හිටගෙන ඉන්නවා. Filled with hope and filled with pride. ඒතර pride එකයි hope එකයි දෙකම තියාගෙන අපි ඔයාලා ගාවින් හිටගෙන ඉන්නවා කියන එක තමයි මෙතන කියන්නේ. We are more than we are one. ඒතර අපි එක්කෙනෙක්ට වඩා වැඩි. අපි එකට ඉන්නකොට අපි තවත් ලොකුවට අපිට දේවල් plan කරන්න පුළුවන්. දේවල් අපිට විඳ දරා ගන්න පුළුවන්. If there's so much I must be, can't I still just be me the way I am? එතකොට මෙතන මේ කියාරා කියන කැරක්ටර් එක අහනවා මගෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් expect කරනවා. If there's so much I must be, මම ගොඩක් දේවල් වෙන්න ඕනේ. ඒ කියන්නේ මම මගෙන් ගොඩක් දේවල් ගොඩක් expect කරනවා. Can't I still just be me the way I am? එහෙම තියෙද්දි මට මමම වෙන්න බැරිද මගේම විදියට? The way I am. Can't I still just be me? මට තවත් මමම වෙන්න බැරිද මගේම විදියට? Can I trust in my own heart, or am I just one part of some big plan? මට බැරිද මගේම හදවත විශ්වාස කරන්න? My own heart. Or am I just one part of some big plan? මම ලොකු plan එකක එක කොටසක්ද කියලා එයා මේ සිම්බා කියන character එකෙන් අහනවා. එතකොට එයා කියනවා even those who are gone are with us as we go on. Even those who are gone කියන්නේ අපිව අතහැරලා ගියපු අය. Even those who are gone are gone ගිහිල්ලා දැනට අපිව අතහැරලා දාලා ගිහිල්ලා ඉන්න අයත් are with us as we go on. අපි ඉස්සරහට යද්දී අපිත් එක්ක ඉන්නවා. Your journey has only begun. Only begun කියන්නේ පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. ඒතර begun කියන්නේ begin කියන එකේ past tense එක. Okay? Your journey has only begun. තාම journey එක පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. Tears of pain, tears of joy. එතකොට සතුටු කඳුළු සහ දුක් කඳුළු කියන දෙකම තියෙන්න පුළුවන්. One thing nothing can destroy is our pride deep inside. එතකොට මේ කිසිම දෙයකට destroy කරන්න බැරි එකම දේ මොකද්ද? One thing nothing can destroy. එකම දේ කිසිම දෙයකට destroy කරන්න බැරි. Nothing can destroy කියන්නේ කිසිම දෙයකට destroy කරන්න බැරි කියන එක. එතන මෙතන අලුත් විදිහට තමයි ඒක ලියලා තියෙන්නේ. Nothing can destroy is our pride deep inside. අපි අතුලාන්තයේ තියෙන අපේ pride එක කිසිම දෙයකට විනාශ කරන්න බැහැ කියලා මෙතන කියනවා. Okay? We are one, you and I. We are like the earth and sky, one family under the sun. එතනදී කියනවා අපි එකා වගේ ඔයයි මමයි අපි දෙන්නම එක්කෙනෙක්. අපි හැමෝම එක්කෙනෙක්. ඒතර අපි මේ පොළවේ මේ අහස යට අපි මේ ඉර යට එකම පවුලක් කියලා කියනවා. We are like earth and sky, one family under the sun. All the wisdom to lead, all the courage that you need, you will find when you see we are one. ඒතර මෙතන කියනවා wisdom කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Wisdom means here you can see the quality of being wise. කියන්නේ නුවණක්කාරව. දෙයක් හිතලා තේරුම් ගන්න පුළුවන්කම. හරිද? all the wisdom to lead. අපිව guide කරන්න, lead කරන්න, නායකත්වය දෙන්න අපිට ඕනි ඔක්කොම wisdom එක සහ ඒකට අවශ්‍ය courage එක. හිතේ ශක්තිය. courage එක that you need, you will find when you see we are one. අපි එකට හිටියොත් ඔයාට තේනෙයි මේ ඔක්කොම තියෙනවා කියන එක. ලීඩ් කරන්න ඕනි විස්ඩම් එක සහ ඒකට අවශ්‍ය courage එක අපි එකට ඉන්නකොට අපි ගාව තියෙනවා කියන එක තමයි මෙතන කියන්නේ. මෙතන family කියලා අන්තිමට තියෙනවා. repeatedly තියෙනවා. ඒ කියන්නේ මෙතන ඒගොල්ලෝ දෙන්න හදන idea එක තමයි unity. okay? ඒතර family එකක් විදිහට එකට හිටියොත් strength එක වැඩි කියන එක තමයි මේ song එකේ කියන්නේ. simple. Okay? So I hope you understood the song a little bit. Now we'll look at the questions. Okay? So first question asked, which of these ideas are conveyed through the song? Mark true or false. So conveyed කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අපිට දීලා තියෙන idea එක මොකද්ද කියන එක. song එකෙන් අපිට දීලා තියෙන idea එක මොකද්ද කියලා. නේද? මේ දීලා තියෙන ideas true the false කියලා අපෙන් අහනවා. Okay? Life is complex and unpredictable. What is complex? Complex means not simple. Okay? complex කියන word එකේ තේරුම තමයි simple නැහැ කියන එක. සංකීර්ණයි සිංහලෙන් කිව්වොත්. Okay? and unpredictable කියන්නේ අපිට predict කරන්න බෑ. ඉදිරිය ගැන අපිට කියන්න බෑ. Okay? so එතන මම මෙතන ඔයගොල්ලෝ දීලා තියෙන එකේ answer එක මෙතන answer කියන්නේ true. Okay? ඇයි ඒක true වෙන්නේ? මෙතන අහලා තියෙන life is complex and unpredictable. ඇත්තටම මේ song එකේ life එක complex and unpredictable කියලා කියනවා. Yes, it says, right? The song says that life is really complex and it's unpredictable. Unpredictable කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? Life can change. Okay? It can change at any moment. So, we can look at some quotations to prove this idea. Complex means hard to understand, not simple. එතකොට ඒක කියවෙනවා මෙන්න මේ quotation එකේ. There's so much that we don't understand. Okay? When looking at this part, you can understand that life is complex and it is shown in the song. There's so much that we don't understand. Okay, at that part, you can see that life is really complex and that life is unpredictable. Okay, that it's changeable. Where can we see that? And the only thing we know is things don't always go as we plan. So when things doesn't go as we plan, which means that life is unpredictable, right? It can change. So the answer for that is true. Yes, life is complex and unpredictable and it is spoken in the song. Okay. It is easier to bear disappointments together than alone. So here it says, disappointments bear කරන්න lazy. bear කරනවා කියන්නේ මොකද? To bear means දරාගෙන ඉන්නවා කියන එක. Okay? So it is easier to bear disappointments together than alone. තනියෙන් ඉන්නවට වඩා එකට ඉන්නකොට කියන එක තමයි together than alone. එතකොට disappointments කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? කලකිරෙනවා වගේ අදහසක්. ඒතර කලකිරීම වගේ දේවල් අපිට දරා ගන්න ලේසි එකට ඉන්නකොට තනියෙන් ඉන්නවට වඩා කියන එක මෙතන කියලා දෙනවා. Yes, right? The song actually says that. The song says that if you stick together as a family, as one, you can bear anything and that you are strong, right? So the answer for that is true. You can see that we are one. This phrase is very much repeated in the song, right? We are one. Here also you can see that, and here also you can see that it's mentioned as we are one. So repeatingly they say that we are one. That phrase they are repeating, which means if you are together, you can bear disappointment. So the answer for that is true. The next one, we are stronger when we are alone. Okay. මෙතන කියන හැටියට අපි තනියෙන් ඉන්නකොට අපි ශක්තිමත්. We are stronger when we are alone. Is that true according to the song? No, right? In the song they say if you are together you are strong, not when you are alone. Okay, so the answer for that is obviously false. So if you want to see proof for that, all the wisdom to lead, all the courage that you need, you will find when you see we are one family. So here you can see that if you are together, stick together as a family, if you are sticking together as a family, you are strong, not when you are alone. Okay. The next one, we must take care of only our family. මේ පවුල ගැන විතරයි අපි බලන්න ඕනේ කියලා මෙතන කියනවා. Song එකේ කියන්නේ එහෙම දෙයක් ගැන. Does the song really say that? No, right? The song says that here you can see we are like earth and sky. Okay. So earth and sky කියන්නේ මොකද්ද? අහසයි පොළොවයි වගේ කියන්නේ. අහසයි පොළොවයි වගේ කියන්නේ ගොඩක් වෙනස් දෙකක්. They are entirely two different things, right? But one family under the sun, which means no, doesn't matter how different you are from each other. If you are under the sun, which means you guys are one family without differentiating. Okay. So we must take care of only our family is false. Okay. You are a family if you stick together. So there are no exceptions for that. වෙනස්කම් අදාළ වෙන්නේ නැහැ. එතකොට මෙතන හැටියට මේ උත්තරේ එන්නේ false. Okay. අපි පොළ ගැන විතරක් නෙමෙයි අපි කියා කරන්න ඕනේ හැමෝම ගැන කියා කරන්න. Okay. The whole world is one big family, it says. Now this one is correct. Why is that? The answer for that is true. Why? We are like the earth and sky, one family under the sun. So earth and sky වගේ වුණාට we are one family under the sun කිව්වම මේ ඉරයට ඉන්න හැමෝම එක family එකක්, right? So the whole world is one big family. True, right? So the answer for that is true. So that's it for the first question. Now we are moving on to the second question. Okay. What do you think is the relationship between the two main characters? Why do you think so? So now here in this question, you can see that there are two parts, right? What do you think is a relationship and why do you think so? So according to this, when you are answering this question, you also have to clearly mention the two answers for these two parts. Okay, that's how you answer these type of questions. What do you think is the relationship and why do you think so? So first you have to mention what do you think the relationship is between the two main characters. Who are the two main characters? Simba and Kiara. Okay, so what do you think is the relationship between them and why do you think so? The reason also you have to give. You have to reason out your answer. That is what they expect from you. That is why they ask you in different two parts. Okay. So the answer for that is Kiara is the daughter of Simba. So the people who watch the movie knows that Kiara is the daughter of Simba. And why do you think so? So when you are reading the song, even for someone who haven't watched the film, not even once, they can understand that Simba is a very mature character, right? Simba can take up elder character, mature character. Why is that? Here see, Simba is always giving advices and knowledge to Kiara about the world and life. Okay. So from there, you can see that Simba is matured and knowledgeable and he has experience, right? And Kiara is not that much experienced. That's why she is always questioning about the world, questioning about the life. Okay. So here in this song, you can see that Simba is an elder character and that Kiara is a younger character. And why do you think so? You can state that the reason for that is Simba is giving advices and knowledge about the world to Kiara. That is enough. But if you want to write a more clear answer, you can state examples from the song. Okay? Like this. As you go through life, you will see there's so much that we don't understand. So this is clearly an advice, right? This part is clearly an advice. So you can state this part and say that Simba is giving advices to Kiara. That is why Simba is an elder, mature character. And Kiara is a younger character. Okay? Like that, you can quote from the song and give proof to your answer. And in the third question, it says, Simba says to Kiara, your journey has only begun. What does it mean? So it has given a part from the song and asking you the meaning of it. Your journey has only begun means what? Only begun කියන්නේ පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. වගේ journey එක තාම පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. මොකද්ද මේකේ තේරුම? What does it mean? Which means that there is more to go, right? Simba is saying that Kiara is still young in age. Kiara තාම වයසින් බාලයි අඩුයි. Therefore, Simba is talking about the rest of the life she has to live. So, Simba මෙතන කතා කරන්නේ කියාරට තව ජීවිතේ ගෙවන්න තියෙන ඉතුරු කාලය ගැන. Okay? Your journey has only begun. තාම journey එක පටන් ගත්තා විතරයි. තව ඉස්සරහට ගොඩක් you have to continue. You have to continue living for a long period of time. Okay? That is what Simba is meaning here. Okay? So, this is the answer for that question. Okay? So, the last question. What is the main idea of this song? When you are reading this song, what is the overall idea that you all are having? Okay, what is the idea that this song is conveying to you? ඔයගොල්ලන්ට පෙන්නලා දෙන overall idea එක මොකද්ද මේ song එකේ main idea එක මොකද්ද කියලා තමයි මෙන්න මේ question එකෙන් අහන්නේ. එතකොට මේ question එකේ අහන විදිහට මේ song එකේ මොකක්ද ඇත්තටම අපිට කියන්නේ? The song says about unity, right? When you guys are together, you are strong. That is the basic idea of this song. So how do you write that? The main idea of the song is, so look at the question, what is the main idea of this song? So when you're writing the answer, you can say that the main idea of the song is about the strength of unity, strength of a family. The song also tells about the flow of life. What is flow of life? ජීවිතය ගලාගෙන යන විදිය, ජීවිතයේ ගැලුම, flow of life. මේ song එකේ unity එක වගේම life එක ගලාගෙන යන්නේ කොහොමද කියලා දෙනවා මේ Simba Kiara. So you can state that. Here also, if you want proof for your answer, you can quote from the song. Quote means මේ parts ඔයගොල්ලන්ට අරගෙන within quotations. What are quotations? අර වරහන් ඇතුලේ වගේ හරි එක්ක උඩුකොම ඇතුලේ වගේ ඔයගොල්ලන්ට මෙතන state කරන්න පුළුවන් මේ song එකේ parts. Okay, to prove your answer. What is the main idea of this song? So this is the main idea of this song. Okay, so that was a quick lesson for you all, just to get you understand this song and answer some questions. And now you see and now you know how to answer a question clearly. So that is the end of the session. So thank you for staying until the very end of the video. And yes, I hope you guys subscribe to our YouTube channel and also like and share our Facebook page. And you guys have very young teachers at the Genius Guide Academy. So I hope you all join with us to get your O-levels done properly and successfully. And also we have given you the registration link for Genius Guide Academy in the description box below. I hope you guys get registered and tuning us for your studies. Thank you so much.